Okay, today we're going to talk about PV equals nRT, which is actually the ideal gas law. This is the formula that you're going to use, and we're going to go over each variable so that you know how to use this. This right here is number of moles. This is the main thing that we're going to be looking for so we can use number of moles in the stoichiometry problems that we've been doing. But let's start off with P is going to stand for pressure. We're either going to measure it in ATM or kPa. Volume is always going to be measured in liters, which means if you have to convert from milliliters to liters, you're going to have to do 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. Number of moles, abbreviated MOL. Sometimes it's going to give you grams, so you're going to have to convert from grams to moles, or you might be asked for grams, so you'll have to convert from moles to grams. And remember, this is the molar mass that we're going to use. We have two constants. That's our R value, 8.31, and this is the unit, kPa times liters over moles times Kelvin. You're never going to put numbers in here. You're just going to use them as units to cancel out. Or if it's measured, the pressure is measured in ATM, it's going to be 0.0821 ATM times liters over moles times Kelvin. Notice we keep talking about Kelvin. Our temperature is going to be in Kelvin. And remember, that's degrees Celsius plus 273, and that'll give us our Kelvin. So these are our different variables. You're always going to solve for one of the variables, so we have to rearrange our formula. So let's look at this. It says calculate the number of moles of oxygen in a 12.5 liter tank at a pressure of 23,325 kPa and measured at 22 degrees Celsius. Your first step is actually going to write the formula, PV equals nRT. Decide what you're solving for. In this case, it says number of moles. So I'm going to circle number of moles, and I'm going to rearrange this formula to solve just for N, which means divide by RT on both sides. So we have N equals PV equals RT. Now we can look at all of our different pieces of information. We have a pressure of 23,325 kPa. We have a volume of 12.5 liters. R, the fact that it's in kPa, we're going to go back to our constant 8.31. 8.31. I'm going to write all of the different units in here, and you'll see how they cancel out. And then we need our temperature. Well, right now our temperature is in Celsius, so we're going to convert it. 22 plus 273 is going to give us 295. We're going to substitute it in. What you should be able to see, using this, you should be able to see that kPa cancels out, liters cancels out, Kelvin cancels out, and we're solving for moles, which is what N stands for. Multiply the top, divide by the product of the bottom, and you should get 129.1 moles.